To turn off Google two-step verification is pretty simple. Just navigate to your Gmail app and click on it. Then on this interface, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and click on it. A pop-up menu will appear. Continue to click on Manage your Google account. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. On the top tab, you could see Home, Personal Information, Data and Privacy, and Security. On the far extreme right, make sure to click on Security. Then allow it a bit of moment to be redirected to an interface like this. And then when you scroll down a bit, you could see two-step verification. Currently, mine is already on since December 8, 2021. So in order for me to turn it off, I'll just have to select on it. Then I'll allow it a bit of moment again to finish loading. And this will land you on an interface like this. In order for you to turn it off, you just have to tap on. But a point to note that two-step verification prevents hackers from accessing your Google account with an additional layer of security. If you turn it off, it's likely that your Google account might be vulnerable to hackers. If you are still determined to turn it off, you can just quickly tap on turn off two-step verification. And that's it. You have successfully turned off your Google account two-step verification. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.